What's up guys, my name is Phil, welcome back to Miranda Detailing. Today's video is a detail on this In today's video we are going to be detailing this little Volkswagen GTI. So guys, the GTI is in for our paint protection service. It's a full exterior only service, so washing, deconning, and protection. So we are going to of course do the full APC rinse. We're going to foam it down, wash it, see if it needs any type of iron decontamination or even detarring, and then we're going to apply some sort of protection. So guys, if you're interested in any of the tools or the products that we show in the video, check out the links down below. You can pick them up at either Amazon or Car Supplies Warehouse. And if you're enjoying videos like this, and I hope you are, consider subscribing and clicking that bell so you don't miss stuff. So let's get started. So we're going to use the Purus ceramic silica polish. This is basically an all-in-one. It's an SiO2 ceramic based polish, so it itself will leave protection, and then we're going to top it with the Jade A68 Reboot. So again, these two go hand in hand. We've used these before and I just love them so much. We're going to use it today on the GTI.
Brought to you by the Cafe Apple Pie. Baked the way it should be.
I don't know what you just said. We are finishing up the TDI. Sorry, GTI. Sorry, GTI. It is looking awesome. So glossy. Beautiful. Uh-oh. 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 Good thing it's protected and nice and slick. And the results speak for themselves. Incredible. So glossy and smooth and beautiful. The wheels cleaned up really well. Nice and shiny. All the bottom panels nice and smooth. So they're polished and protected. All the rubber pieces here also were protected using the Meguiar's, that Paint 360 Protect stuff. This stuff right here, I know, it's made for paint, but we still use it for rubber and trim. It works really well. So it is looking great. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for the GTI. It is done. Customer's actually here to pick it up, so we're just doing some finishing touches, and it's looking awesome. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in any of the tools or the products that you saw us use today, check out the links down below and pick some up for yourself if you do need some nice new products, some fresh products to try out. If you already have your go-to sealants and waxes and so forth, then stick with those. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Take care.